How to enable editing in Word on Mac. So if you want to enable the editing in Word on your Mac, then just follow the steps. The first thing you can do is you need to simply log out of the application and log back in. Open the MS Office app and click on the name on the top left, and you can go with the sign out option. Quit the app and then reopen it and click sign in the top left. And again sign into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, go with the second, which is you need to verify your Office 365 license. In the web browser, you need to navigate to the portal.office.com and you need to click on My Account option. Look at the subscription panel and check for the Office 365. If you see it, you have the correct license and that's not the problem. If you don't see it, you just need to simply check that you are signed into the correct account. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to remove those files we've mentioned earlier. You need to open each Office app installed on your Mac, click on the application name, for example, Word, and choose Sign Out. Then quit the application. Then in the Finder, click the Go menu and choose Go to Folder. And in the box, you need to type Library. Click the Group Containers folder. And after that, you need to locate the following three files or folders and drag them to the trash. You just need to simply choose these three files or folders and you need to simply drag them to the trash. Empty the trash and open an Office application to check if you can now edit the documents. But if you still can't, then you can remove the Office license files. To do that, you need to find the PKG file of the license removal tool in your downloads folder and open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Once you are at the installation, type step and click install. It will remove the license files. And after that, you need to click close, delete the tool by clicking move to trash if you no longer need it. And finally, you can open any Office application and log in to reactivate your email. It is recommended to restart your Mac as well. The next thing you can do is simply update the MS Office application. If you've downloaded it from the App Store, open the App Store, go with the updates and click on update next to the MS Office apps and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. So these were the fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.